Hello everyone. So today I have this clutch set for the Beat diesel car owners. So basically this clutch set is for the AC compressor for Beat diesel. So basically this is the clutch plate, and here you can see this magnet coil. So sometimes problem is only with the magnet coil. So in case if you are facing a problem in your AC compressor because of the magnet coil, you can order it from us. And this is the pulley, and there is a bearing as well which is attached with this pulley. So friends, this complete clutch set involves a clutch plate, magnet coil and bearing with the pulley. So basically this outer part is the pulley. So in case if you would like to order this clutch set, you can contact us. We are Shakti Enterprises. We are located in Rohini Sector 11. And friends, please note we do not offer cash on delivery. We deliver all over India. So you can order this product from us, and you can simply call us at 9999290522, or the other number is 7428236707. You can see the numbers on the screen as well. I'll put the numbers on the screen. And thank you so much, friends. I hope you're enjoying your life, and happy Independence Day to all of you. Thank you so much, friends. Have a good day. Bye.